In this quick 3-minute tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to track sales or conversions from social media links. If you've ever wondered how to figure out whether your social media efforts are paying off or how to pinpoint which links are driving sales, this video will break it down for you step by step. Stick around because I'm also going to share a way you can get an exclusive free trial of a software that will make this process a whole lot easier. Let's start with why tracking sales or conversions from social media links is so crucial. If you're running any kind of online business, or even just promoting products on social media, you need to know which links are actually converting. Without this data, you're essentially guessing. And the best way to get clear, actionable insights is by setting up conversion tracking, which will allow you to see exactly which posts, ads, or links are leading to sales. First, we'll go over UTM parameters. This is one of the easiest and most powerful ways to track social media links. UTM stands for Urchin Tracking Module, and it's essentially a code that you attach to the end of a URL to track the performance of that link. For example, let's say you're sharing a link to a product page on Facebook. By adding UTM parameters, you can track that specific post in your analytics. To create a UTM link, you can use a tool like Google's UTM Builder. You'll want to fill in fields like source, e.g. Facebook, medium, e.g. post, and campaign, e.g. summer sale. This will give you clear data on how many conversions came directly from that link. Once you've created your UTM links, you'll need to connect them to your analytics platform. Google Analytics is the most commonly used platform for this, and it can show you exactly how many conversions come from those links. Inside Google Analytics, you can go to the acquisition section and then campaigns, where you'll see data broken down by UTM parameters. You'll also be able to track things like bounce rate, time on page, and how much revenue each link is generating. Now, let's talk about another powerful tool, Facebook Pixel or Google Tag Manager. These tools allow you to track conversions from Facebook ads or other social media platforms. When someone clicks your ad or social media link, these tools can fire off tracking events and report back to you with data about sales, form submissions, or any other conversion event you set up. To set this up, you'll need to install a small piece of code called a pixel or tag on your website. Don't worry, it's easier than it sounds. If you're using WordPress, many plugins can automatically add these for you. Once set up, these tools will track who clicked on your link, who made a purchase, and what the value of that purchase was. You can even track custom events like people who added items to their cart but didn't complete the checkout process, giving you powerful insights into where your funnel is breaking down. Next, let's discuss URL shorteners. Tools like Bitly not only make your links look cleaner and more clickable, but they also offer analytics on how many times your link was clicked. While not as detailed as UTM tracking, it's a great quick fix if you're just starting and want a simple way to track engagement. With Bitly, you can also create custom short links that are branded to your business, which helps with brand recognition. Now, before I wrap up, I want to remind you that I've tried out some of the most popular software for tracking sales and conversions, and the software we're using in this video is my top recommendation. The best part? I've arranged for an exclusive free trial for you, so you can follow along and start tracking your sales from social media right away. The link is in the description below. Take advantage of it. Key takeaway: tracking sales or conversions from social media links is essential for understanding which efforts are bringing in revenue. UTM parameters, Google Analytics, and tools like Facebook Pixel or Google Tag Manager will give you the data you need. Use the right tools, set them up correctly, and you'll get the clear insights you need to optimize your social media strategy. Remember, the exclusive free trial of the software we used is waiting for you in the description below. Don't miss out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.